Hello everyone, this is Angelino from Smartphone Technology with you today, and today I want to teach you from a site how to get $15 every day for free for your PayPal. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, thumbs up the video if you like the video. It's very helpful for me, and like that you will have everything new that I will put here, that I will make, every video new that I will make, how to make money, you will have it first, people. Okay, so let's start about the site. The site calls clicksfly.com. Okay, you will have the description in the description the link. Okay, it gives you every 1,000 views or 10,000 views, sorry, $150, and for 1,000 views you will get $15. Okay, so let's see payout rates. For 1,000 views, the maximum is $15. The minimum from all over the world is 3.5. And Mexico, Morocco, and also things like this, it's $2. Okay. Okay, let's start with the site. I will log in because I have an account. If you don't have an account, you will be registering your account here. So I will log in. Okay, it's a new account. I didn't use it a lot, so I will show you just how you can do that and how much withdrawal minimum you can withdraw to your PayPal account. First of all, you have here a description of the site, things that you can do, like YouTubers. For people who have a channel on YouTube, if you want to get $1 for free, if you explain clicksfly.com on your YouTube channel and the video gets reached to 1,000 views, real views, okay, you will get $1, and each 1,000 views you will get another $1. Okay, so some information also, blah blah blah. You can read it after when you have a time. So let's start. You put your shorten link in here, and then you put it shorten. You press on shorten, sorry, so you can short your link. Like every site, you have an advanced option. Here you can write whatever you want, like clicksfly.com/ whatever you want. Okay, withdraw, you have to put your account within the settings so you can withdraw things. Okay, tools, you have the same tools on every other site. I use Mass Shrinker a lot because I use it for shortening a few links together. Not everyone besides sorry, I mean not everyone alone. Okay, I put a lot of links to shorten from the same time. What I mean is you can put here a few links, and if you after you put here shorten, every link will have this shorten link beside it, under it. Okay, referrals, it's the same like every site. My referrals is /Angelino with 0 at last. Okay, settings, profile, here you profile your account. Billing address only if you want to get it in the bill to home. Okay, bill account to home, your home, okay, to your home address. I don't use it. I use only PayPal, but you have here another options. Okay, PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, and a lot more. I use PayPal, and there I can put my account. Okay. Now the minimum withdrawal is with the withdraw method. PayPal is $3 minimum, Bitcoin $10, blah 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 blah. Like you see, you can check it every time. So if you want to change your password to your account, here is the change password or change email. Support, if you have a question or something, you can open support ticket with the site, or start live ticket with them, live chat, sorry. And Skype, if you have Skype, you can chat with them on Skype. Okay, the site is very helpful, it's good, and it has proofs that people got money from it. Okay, so if we do log out, now you can see payments proof. Okay, let's see. You can see here people put their pictures here from the phone, smartphone, how much they got. Click, fly, pay 848 for 139 links, something like this, maybe. Okay, like you see, there's a lot of proofs. The site is original, is good. So if you want any other site that you want me to put and explaining about him here, please write a comment. And if you have any questions, also write a comment below the video. The link to the site will be below the video in my description. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. Goodbye and thank you.